Okay, so this is going to be the somewhat definitive guide in how to change grades, at least now for distance learning. So the first thing you might want to notice is whether or not your student has an incomplete. So the first thing we're going to do is take incompletes out of the report card. As you can see, Tristan has an I, even though there's a B for an average. So in order to clear that out, we have to go to report card. And in report card view, we have to uncheck only show postable periods. So when we uncheck only show postable periods, now we actually have access to all of the grades. So for the case of Tristan, we need to go and edit final grades and comments. And when we do that, we see the I. Well, we want to get rid of that. So we go ahead and click this drop down or drop up in this case. We go to clear manual score, and now we go to save changes. Very good. So when we return back to the report card view, we'll notice that the grade is now a B, and now second quarter is a B, and our semester is good. So what do we do now? Well, you're going to go to report card. You're going to go to gradebook. And in gradebook, you're going to make sure that you have your second quarter grade selected. So now instead of the I that Tristan had, now we want to go and make sure that Tristan gets the B. So they made up some work. And you're going to go and do reports. And you're going to do a detailed progress report. And you're only going to run for selected students, in this case, Tristan. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom and run report. So it's going to do a detailed progress report. And you're going to get this. And you want to make sure that the overall class grade is the grade that you want the student to have, right? So when you've done some changes in the grade book, you want to make sure that that grade over here, the overall class grade, is what you want. And you're going to simply download that PDF. You're going to name it what you want. And you're going to email that PDF to Sharon DeBarty, in order to make that grade change happen, right? Now, if you made changes to grades in first and second quarter that also impacted the semester grade, you're going to need to go and do something similar for the semester scores. Thing is, semester scores do not have a progress report. So you're going to wind up having some trouble there. But the best way, again, is going to uncheck this show only postable grading periods in your report card screen. And now this time we're going to go and click green button above first semester, right? So let's say Tristan had an I for first semester. Now we want to give Tristan a B. Well, the only way that we can really do anything with this is to Snagit. So make sure that you've opened up Snagit. You should have it all set already. Hopefully it's here in your bar, but if you don't, type it in the little search. You're going to click capture. And so now you're going to make sure that you click and you drag so that you can see first semester and the class and the grade that you want to change. So luckily for me, Tristan's at the top. If it was a student down below, you would scroll down and make sure that you try to get this, at least this first semester and that student's info in there. So you're going to let go. It's going to take you to the Snagit editor. And you want to make sure that you now save it as a file type that's a picture, probably a JPEG or something like that. So you want to call it Tristan semester grade, and now you're going to hit save. And then once you have that JPEG with the new grade, you're going to email that picture and the PDF of your first or second quarter detailed progress report. You're going to email that to Sharon DeBarty. Make sure you're clear as to what the grade should be, and then it should be taken care of. So that is how you do grade changes, at least in this era of distance learning. So if you have any other questions, you can go ahead and shoot me an email, but that's basically the process. I hope you all found this informative. Click on the like, subscribe, all that other fun stuff. Hopefully there'll be new videos coming out soon.